लोगों ने कुछ क्लूज बनाया हुआ है, वो क्लूज से हमें ट्रैक करके क्रिस्टल ढूंढना है। Wow, the power is coming. It's watermelon. I am completely scared. I'm more scared than him. But he's saying वो बैठ सकता है. It literally goes 360. What are you talking about? Fortnite. What is that game? Fortnite?
A game.
Game.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some kids might know.
Some kids might know. अभी हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं ग्लोबल विलेज के पार्किंग में। भी थोड़ा सा हमें चल के जाना है अंदर। टिकट्स मैंने ऑनलाइन ही ले लिया था। What are you saying, Kian? Nowadays, what we're doing?
Going places together a lot. Oh.
Yeah. You like that?
I love it.
Nice.
But why we are going like that?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Because you wanted to walk. No?
Because she wanted to walk, that's why we are going here and there. Nice. She can't walk in the park.
She wanted to walk here.
Okay. How did they make the Titanic? Using what?
They were showing. They were using cardboard.
Cardboard. The project that Kian was talking about in his blog.
Titanic.
Yeah.
I need to finish my Titanic. Like I just have 1 week. Like 1 week, how can I finish a full Titanic?
Yes, so somebody's already made it in school.
There are 2 people, and the second person so big. It's usually like the same Titanic. Even some people are inside.
Nice.
Tiny little stick persons.
Nice, that's true. So then why don't you make yours?
Because Ma she took a picture of the thing and she then gave me the picture so I can do
Wow.
it.
What an excuse. Blame it on me.
I didn't do excuse. You took the photo.
Okay, अभी हम गेट पहुंच गए हैं। एंट्री करने के बाद मिलते हैं।
It's like Game of Thrones, but it's for children, I think.
I want to go inside.
This is something new, I guess. This was not there. Yes. Adventure for family. So all of us will try. Excited? It's going to be inside.
Dragons.
Dragons? Only dragons?
Dragons, fire, 3D things, jump scare.
Jump scared when you enter.
Yeah.
Show how it is to be jump scared.
Few moments later.
Let's go, let's go. Yes.
The heart of our castle, and it is the source of energy for this castle.
Rays of enchanted crystal. Their light protects our kingdom, but the power is fading. The crystal.
Yeah.
Stay with the group.
Yeah, I know you're excited, but yeah, he's excited to find the crystal.
Here, this is the magical door, and praise Puja for your journey ahead. On this side, we have this.
Place your hand on that.
Powers.
Wow.
Only this powers.
Are you getting powers, Kian?
Yeah.
Powers from there.
You have the clues.
Here.
Kian, look at the clues properly. What are the clues?
Here.
तो इन लोगों ने कुछ क्लूज बनाया हुआ है, वो क्लूज से हमें ट्रैक करके क्रिस्टल ढूंढना है। So, ये रहा बुक। इस बुक में क्लूज है।
Much later.
So now you have arrived at your destination. You have the easy located.
अभी हम डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंच गए हैं। Now we are going to the next
Dimension.
इंटरेस्टिंग है, थोड़ा अलग
Next
कॉन्सेप्ट है।
dimension.
नेक्स्ट डिमेंशन। ओके, यहाँ पे बहुत अंधेरा है। डोंट थिंक यू ऑल कैन सी। जैसे भी पास लाइट आता है, लाइक अ मेज। ये देखो, वाह, ये देखो क्रिस्टल्स। ये रहे क्रिस्टल्स। बहुत अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है, बच्चों के लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छा है। है वो क्रिस्टल्स जो ढूंढने निकले थे, बहुत ही खूबसूरत बना।
Come back in 500 years.
Nice. So he's imitating you. Whatever you do, he's going to do that. तो यहाँ पे कुछ तो कैमरा या कुछ है. He's just going to copy. Nice. So ये copycat. He's a copycat goblin. Oh, we still didn't find the crystal. मुझे लगा ये crystals. Oh. Guys, we have still not found the crystals. अभी search जारी है. Let's go. Keep going. किधर पहुँच गए हम लोग? अच्छा, बहुत ही मैजिकल. अभी भी क्रिस्टल नहीं मिला है गाइस. We are still searching for the crystal. Use your power. Time to use our power. Everybody,
Only you can restore
let's
their
do
light.
it.
Place your hands upon. Concentrate more.
Concentrate.
It's
Come on.
almost done.
Wow, the power is coming. Good,
The
good,
bond
good, good.
awakens. The castle breathes again.
Nice. Wow.
No! You've drawn too much power. The dragon wakes. Move now.
Run, run, run! Fire, fire! Come on, time to run! ने भागने बोला है. यहाँ पे कुछ हो गया है. अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है ये. Beautiful. It's lovely, lovely. Very nice. चलो और आगे जाना है. चलते हैं. यहाँ पे क्या? Exit. Come on, come on. Exit, exit पहुँच गए हैं. ये है वो ड्रैगन.
Completed their mission and harvest.
मिशन सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट कर दिया है. तो हम ताली बजा रहे हैं. हम सब हमारे लिए. तो यस, मिशन सक्सेसफुल हो गया है. यस, थैंक यू. तो अभी वहाँ पे कासल है, उस पे बैठ सकते हैं हम. गुड. यस, सो दिस इज़ अ फाइनल. ये था एडवेंचर. बहुत मज़ा आया. अभी निकलते हैं यहाँ से. नेक्स्ट. Did you enjoy, Kian? Come here. How was it?
I enjoy. So dragons
How
are
was it? Nice. It was really good. Yeah, it was really good. Anybody coming to Global Village? This place is a must visit. Mom को crystal नहीं मिला तो थोड़ा go by in the shop. She's saying. What was the name of this place? The Dragon Kingdom. Yeah, the Dragon Kingdom. यहाँ से निकल गए हैं. Now we are thinking where to go next. ऐसे नए जगह पे जाना बेहतर रहेगा because Global Village तो हम बहुत घूम चुके हैं. तो whatever is new we can go there. He wants to go to Jordan. Kian, what do you know about Jordan? That you want to go to Jordan?
It sounds like Jonathan.
It sounds like Jonathan. He comes up with his own logics. यहाँ पे एक beautiful street है. पूरा खाने का items मिलता है यहाँ पे. It's called Happiness Street. ये देखो, मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको. It's just like a street for eating.
Sticks and chocolate.
Churros?
Yeah.
Churros, churros. Saga Naki bite. I don't know if the pronunciation is right. He wants this. जो दिख रहा है ना, Greek fried cheese. सब जगह का थोड़ा थोड़ा टेस्ट करेंगे. सब 4-5 नहीं लेंगे. एक we'll just taste everything just to know. What happened? It's watermelon. Now try what it is.
He doesn't like it. But kids won't like it.
What is it exactly?
It's like cheese and watermelon together.
भी टेस्ट करके देखती हूँ.
Why do you like it?
Nice.
It's not bad.
Something
Can
different.
I eat the cheese?
Watermelon with nice yummy cheese. मुझे तो अच्छा लगा. हम नेक्स्ट स्पॉट यहाँ पर आए हैं. रोटी होम ऑफ रैप्स. एक्चुअली यहाँ पे 4 types of रोटीज है. First we'll ask them what is there in this. But it's roti home of wraps. So this is what we have ordered. Butter chicken roti. Kian and my husband are at K Blocks. वहाँ पे मैगी नूडल्स मिलता है. Actually Korean noodles. तो Kian wanted to eat noodles because he didn't like that watermelon thing. So we thought साथ में रुकने से अच्छा है कि हम अलग अलग रुके तो टाइम सेव हो जाएगा. So they are waiting over there and हमारा तो यहाँ पे हो गया है. So I'm just going to them now. How is it? What is this?
Noodles.
Cheese noodles. Okay. हम आए हैं चाइना पेविलियन. चाइनीज स्टाइल का बनाया.
It is a good thing.
No, I am against Labubu. No, Kian, Labubu, it looks also so scary and
No, it's fun. It's cute.
actually Kian को Labubu का वो डॉल चाहिए and ये चाइना में मिल रहा है. So I'm not a big fan of this Labubu. I don't know, I find it really creepy. So I am convincing him नहीं चाहिए. So अभी he's gone to his dad and he's trying to convince his dad बट हम लोग निकल गए चाइना पेविलियन से। नहीं लिया हमने फाइनली लबुबू, इज ऑलरेडी गॉट अ बलून लबुबू का। अभी हम जा रहे हैं फ्लोटिंग मार्केट। वहाँ पे इट्स लाइक अ स्मॉल बैंकॉक को क्रिएट किया गया है, सो यू गेट एवरीथिंग इनसाइड द वाटर। आई शो इट टू यू, वेरियस फूड आइटम्स। वहाँ पे वो जो दिख रहा है ना, वो पूरा फ्लोटिंग मार्केट है। तो उसके अंदर जाएंगे तो वैरायटी खाना मिलेगा आपको। इट इज़ वेरी सिमिलर टू द थाईलैंड कॉन्सेप्ट। एक्चुअली यूएई में थोड़ा गर्मी भी स्टार्ट हो गया है, इट्स प्रीटी हॉट नाउ। थोड़ा विंडी है लेकिन वी आर ऑल्सो स्वेटिंग, सो गर्मी इज स्टार्टिंग। हम पहुँच गए अंदर। बैंकॉक किचन। मैंगो स्लरी अच्छा है, वी कैन ट्राई दैट। मैंगो स्टिकी राइस, वेरी फेमस। या मैंगो स्टिकी राइस विद कोकोनट मिल्क। आई डिडंट लाइक इट।
Didn't with mango.
See his expression. It's okay, eat it now. You can't spit, it's food. Let's taste. I liked it. It is something different. This mussels fry, or what is it called? It's grilled.
Okay.
Grilled mussels.
Personally, I don't eat it.
How is it? He's waiting for his churros. Thank you. Yes. It's there inside, chocolate. हम लोग इधर बैठ गए हैं। We have churros finally. We went to get chicken and fries. It's a different type of a lemon tea. अभी हम लोग बैठे थे उधर एंड थोड़ा बहुत बातचीत किया एंड कियान का अभी तक एनर्जी डाउन नहीं हुआ है। बोलता है प्ले एरिया में खेलना है, सो वी आर जस्ट लुकिंग आउट फॉर द प्ले एरिया। ये राइड है मेरे पीछे, टोर्नेडो। उसमें कियान जिद कर रहा है कि उसको बैठना है एंड इट्स टू फास्ट, इट गोज 360। अभी उसके पापा उसको लेकर गए हैं लाइन में एंड ही इज गोइंग टू सिट ऑन दैट राइड एंड आई एम completely scared. I'm more scared than him, but he's saying वो बैठ सकता है। It literally goes 360, so वो already बैठ चुका है। Okay, let's see.
You just have to be the best friend. So 2, 1, unleash the tornado!
Go, go, Kiyan! Close your eyes, no problem. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. ये राइड है टोर्नेडो, पूरा 360 घूमेगा।
A little longer than a few minutes later.
No, I can touch. I did.
Much later.
Now it is 12 AM in the night and finally I think कियान का हो गया है। ये एक लास्ट है स्मॉल गेमिंग जोन, यहाँ पे थोड़ा राउंड लगा के we will be leaving. So I'll just end my vlog here and I'll see you in my next vlog. Till then, take care, bye bye, stay safe.